15 को मापसा पुलिस स्टेशन में we had registered a case of murder IPC section 302 में, in which a person of Nepali identity Nabin was found to be murdered in Mapsa area. Taking up the investigation, SDPO Mapsa और PI Mapsa के अंडर we formed different teams for technical as well as human surveillance, and in this case we have made a breakthrough. Today Mapsa police station under the leadership of SDPO Mapsa Jibba Dalvi and PI Mapsa Paresh Naik has arrested Mr. Karan Mahadev Shinde, who is the accused in this case. On the night when the victim was murdered, Shinde और victim ने रात को मिला था and they started talking to each other. Then they moved little bit into the darker spots और वहाँ पे बातचीत में there were some issues between them where they started quarreling, and in that quarrel Shinde allegedly murdered the victim, who is Nabil. After that Shinde ran away from the spot, and today after hectic efforts and technical surveillance by our team under the leadership of PI Mapsa, we could arrest the accused. The case investigation is still going on.